I don't think I'm quite there yet. I think I'm blonde. What do you think? Blonde, fringe and brunette hair.
Now I fancy a bit of a change of look. Obviously my extensions are already in, they're already styled. So this time I'm gonna do something a bit more casual and just chilled, but still look sexy at the same time. So after I've styled all my hair, I'm just going to bring both sides round to the front, and then with a simple clear band, I'm just gonna pinch it. And create a low ponytail. So I'm just going to wrap it around twice. And just separate it, just like before. Pull it out a little bit at the root, and then do the same on the other side. And then again, so we're just going to separate the hair, really pull it out. Same on this side. So it's nice and big and voluminous as well. I love this look, it's just really nice and simple, and it's so easy and just looks nice and voluminous and just bit messy, but also nice chilled vibes as well. So, what do you think?